Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we bring you a gallery of 10 white and gold cake, each one crafted to look fit for a king or a queen. From gold crown to delicate floral detailing, these designs combine elegance with grandeur. The first one is Crown Royal Thai Cake, a tall white topped with a golden edible crown and royal scrolls. Soft florals add a gentle finish, perfect for milestones, birthday, or royal weddings. The next is Gold Frame Floral Cake, white fondant ties with baroque gold frames and pink or ivory sugar flowers inside the frames. Look like edible art straight from a royal place. The next is pearl and gold leaf cake. Buttercream base with edible pearls and gold leaf scattered elegance across the tiles. The next is three-tier gold panel cake. Each tile features gold embossed panel with white pipe detailing like a royal column of beauty. The next is white lace and gold roses cake. Intricate lace piping on a white base, paired with handcrafted rose. The next is floating tie golden ring. White cake stuck with a gold ring separate to create floating illusion. Gold vines wrap the edges, magical and modern royalty. The next is gold feather texture cake. Gold feather stroke on a white smooth fondant cake. Quick, minimal, and majestic. Simple yet undefinable regal. The next is gold medallion and floral cake. White ties with gold medallion beaded borders and cascading ivory florals, perfect for a king and a queen themed celebration. The next is classic royal wedding cake, 5 tiers of white and gold with lace detailing, flower bordered, and top golden topper. The next is golden drip white cream buttercream cake, soft white buttercream with a rich gold drip, adorned with macarons, white roses, and gold dusted leaves. Modern meets royal glamour. White and gold cake never go out of style. They are elegant, versatile, and truly majestic. Which one was your served at your royal celebration? Tell us in the comment below which cake looked the most royal to you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for amazing designs like this. Share with someone planning a luxury event to make their event more beautiful and luxurious. Or share with your loved one your favorite style of cake so they can bake for you on your birthday. Sweets always brings happiness, and if you want to be happy and with your family and with your loved ones, create bake cake and create happiness. Stay tuned with us. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, share your love with others, with your loved ones. Happy baking. Goodbye.